Hello students, in this video I'll be explaining light absorption under the topic of photosynthesis. As we know that photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food using water, sunlight and carbon dioxide. As I've stated that this video will be only focusing on light absorption. Light absorption is the process in which plants take in the light energy from the sun, and this takes place in the leaves of a plant. In a leaf of a plant, there are cells, and those cells, they contain a chloroplast, and that chloroplast is found near the surface, and this helps it to get maximum sunlight, which is very essential for the process of photosynthesis. This is the structure of a chloroplast. In this structure, we find a green pigment called chlorophyll, and it is found in the membrane of the thylakoid. So, this chlorophyll plays a big role in light absorption. The light energy from the sun is absorbed by this chlorophyll, and the energy from the sun is used to split water into hydrogen and oxygen, and then oxygen is released as a byproduct. The energy from the light is also used to convert ADP into ATP and NADP into NADPH. A plant appears green in color not just because it absorbs the green color from the sun, but it absorbs red and blue color, but the green color is reflected into our eyes. That's why a plant appears green in color. Light absorption is very important in plants because without light absorption, there is no photosynthesis.